Well, let's revisit our top story this hour. A part of the chopper that crashed in Lake Nakuru has now been discovered. It was discovered by divers who arrived at the scene early this morning on day 2 of the search and rescue exercise. 5 people were on board the chopper when it crashed shortly after takeoff yesterday. This included 4 men and a woman. The divers are from the Kenya Defence Forces, and volunteers from the Aiyabei-Red Cross are joining us this afternoon by way of phone is Michael Aiyabei from the Kenya Red Cross, who is also part of the search and rescue team. Michael, what is the state of the search and rescue operations as you speak?
Well, the search operation is ongoing at the moment. Divers are right deep inside the lake, of course, trying to identify if they can be able to reach any remains from the plane that crashed. And just early this afternoon, we've been able to, of course, recover a few parts of the plane. And so I think for us that is a positive move, that there is some progress in this.
All right, Michael, of course, the black box would be the most important part of the wreckage to try and establish what really happened. But can we deduce or establish what could have been the cause of the crash from the little that has been found?
Well, even as of now, that question might not be answered so soon, because then it's the duty of the crash investigator to really piece together, all the information that they might be able to lay hands on by the end of the search. So I think it's too early really to say what happened.
All right. It's day 2 of this search. There's been a lot of criticism with regard to the laxity in disaster preparedness and management, especially in this particular incident. What seems to be hindering, probably fast-tracking this search and rescue process?
I think the team on ground is really doing a lot of that is within its powers and equipment that is available for them to use. And then I don't think it is true that there is laxity, only that there is the keenness in trying to find out really what point of the late this crash may have happened, and so it's a job about keenness and the equipment that is available on site. But the team is really working around the clock to be able to complete the search and rescue mission in good time.
And Michael, there were 5 people on board this chopper before the incident occurred. Of course, they're believed to have lost their lives. But has there been any word on the retrieval of their bodies from the lake?
Well, so far we've not been able to retrieve any body so far. So I think that question might be answered as and when we are able to start getting that.
All right.
However, our team of counselors are working. We're talking to the members of the family who are affected and giving them reassurance and necessary support.
All right. How much longer, perhaps, do we expect the exercise or the process to continue?
Well, in search and rescue, you can never usually be very specific. Part of the we have several teams that are inside the lake now doing the search, and I think as soon as we're able to break on making the zeroing onto the exact site, then we from that point we should be able to make very quick progress.
All right, so many thanks, Michael Aiyabei there from the Kenya Red Cross, joining us by way of phone. A quick update on the chopper that crashed yesterday at the Lake Nakuru. Only a part of the chopper has been discovered as we speak. The 5 people who are on board yet to be accounted for. Let's speak to Victor Ogali.